A very warm welcome to all of you students. I am Suresh Kumar Thakur, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, and today we are going to discuss the topic, the concept of networking. First, we need to elaborate definition of computer network. As we have seen that a collection of computing devices that are connected in various ways in order to communicate and share resources. Generally, the connection between computers in a network are made using physical wires and cable, but sometimes some connections are wireless using radio waves or infrared signals. A network is a group of various components connected together in such a way that it is possible to distribute or collect information over the entire group. Let's know what is a network. The answer: a network consists of two or more computers that are connected in order to share resources like printers, exchange files, and allows electronic communications. The computers on a network may be linked through cables, telephone line, radio waves, and satellite or infrared light beams. So we just know that what is network. The term computer network is used to mean an interconnected collection of autonomous computers. Two computers are said to be interconnected if they are able to exchange information. The connection can be wired or wireless. A large computer with remote printers and terminals is not a network. Again, repeat: a large computer with remote printers and terminals is not a network, nor a system with one control and many flags in a network. With a network, the user must explicitly log into a machine, explicitly submit jobs remotely, explicitly move files around, and generally handle all network management personally. Distribution and exchange of information. A computer's network can do many things like share single copy of files. First, we have looked the distribution and exchange of information. Distribution or exchange of information is very important for any group activity to work or function efficiently and effectively. This is best achieved by networking. Computer networks have become an important tool of communication with an added advantage of being able to store large amount of data and also being able to deliver it as and when demanded. A computer network finds application in almost every field of life. So let's move to a computer's network can do many things like share a single copy of file, share a single copy of a file among all the users even simultaneously. Transfer files from computer to computer or from one computer to the central hard disk on the server. Share applications. Share applications over the entire network, thus reducing the cost of purchasing the multiple copies. A multi-user license costs much less than buying standard alone license. Share resources. Share resources like printer, hard disk, CD-ROM drive, modem, fax machine, etc. Email for internal communication. Use email for internal communication instead of office notes and creation and most paper-led office. Next, components of computer network. The most essential components to gather a computer network are servers. Servers are faster computers that run various software, store and process information, and also provide a human interface for the users to be able to use the networked computers. Nodes. Nodes are the computers on the network which are provided to the user to carry out their task using the network. Workstation. A node which is more powerful and can handle local information processing or graphics processing is called a workstation. The workstation works only for the person sitting in front of it, whereas a server serves all the people on the network to share its resources. A workstation usually has an inexpensive small hard disk to carry out local tasks. Some workstations called diskless workstations have no disk drive of their own. Such workstations also called dumb terminal, and they rely completely on the LAN for their access. The network operating system lets the nodes work as if all the resources in the server belong to the node itself. Network operating system. The network requires some software to control all the information transfer activity on the network, like the traffic police to control the traffic. The software called NOS handles this task. Networks which are more complex require network devices like hubs, switches, routers to carry out different network functions. LAN software. On the network, each computer is called a node or a workstation, unless there are certain computers designed as servers. LAN cable connected all the nodes and the servers together to form the network. In addition to its local disk operating system, each node requires networking software that enables the node to communicate with the servers. In return, the file servers run network software that communicates with the nodes. LAN cables. This is the medium or channel over which the information travels from computer to computer. The information travels from one computer onto the medium and then from the medium to another computer in the form that it can be read. The last one is network interface card. Each computer contains a network interface card. This card is used to connect the cable to the computer. This card helps the computer to transfer the data at a faster rate and in the form of packets. These are plugged into the computer's motherboard. These cards are generally called as Ethernet. So thank you all the students.